It's a new 2018 Ram 3500. The sound of this Ram 3500's engine is the mechanical equivalent of, "Yeah, I can do that, boss." It was built to haul payloads, tow equipment, and take care of you and your bottom line. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: turbo V6 engine, electronic shift on the fly, driver selectable mode, trailer brake controller, streaming audio, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, trailer hitch receiver, heavy duty shocks, auto dimming rear view mirror, and automatic transmission. Motor Trend elaborates, "Clearly there's something for everyone on the new heavy-duty Ram. It looks better, it's got more features, it's got more power, and it can tow and haul more than ever before." Ram gets the job done. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today. Come into Mall of Georgia Chrysler Dodge Jeep to see why we're known for superior pricing and superior service.